Rush Choice, 4-box, 90. That's what's promo. I'll add more 4-boxers.
How bad was it?
What?
How
Oh
bad?
no, it wasn't that loud.
Yeah, they'll be back in the morning.
Yeah, it wasn't that loud. Good luck. See you, Dragon. First, base auto of Chandler and Agbaji. Cam Thomas red, Middleton blue. It's Jang. It's not terrible, but it's Jang. This food wakes me up. Food should be here soon. The Knot. Nice Matherin. Florida Sports Cards Investors. LLC. It's a hitter. Black gold non-auto. It's Jeremy Grant for H-Sam. Red of Kyrie, blue of Finney. Jabari and his teammate. Nice. Shaden. Go Florida, going for every auto. He's going for it. He's going for every auto. Blue of Roddy. Red of Kuminga. Red of Christopher. Mobley. He gets a nice Sohan. He gets every auto. Done that before. Red, Malachi. That's a solid gold. Gold non-auto. BI, blue of Fournier. I don't know if Fournier is good. I just know he has a market. Promo and the recap. All your autos will beat the sword. Nice, nice. We'll add more 4s for the collectors. It's the break.
Promo?
Ooh, I like almost hit it. That would have been the first time. I like almost hit it, but I didn't. Promo. 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. Dragon. Hoops. Turn promo. 38.